Hi everyone, Hannah here. So this is the April Mini Mixed Media. Many of you have already received this kit, but I wanted to go ahead and do a tutorial as well as an unboxing just to show you what you'll receive for those of you that haven't received your kit yet. So we've got this cute little 4x4 picture frame. I just absolutely loved the colors and the textures in the picture frame. So we will definitely be taking advantage of that lovely texture from the frame. And then I'll go ahead and just pour this out. So I wanted to include a piece of lace. Every once in a while I do. And so I wanted to in this one, and I've got an idea, so you'll find that out whenever I get started on the tutorial. And then we've got a leafy piece here. And then also we've got this is the Sepia wax paste. And then we've got the Finnabair Opal Magic, the teal pink, just really beautiful color. And then we've got a chipboard word, Inspire. And we've got some chipboard pieces. You'll receive a mixture of pieces from, it's a couple of new collections from Prima, Miel, and the other one is their summertime collection. I can't remember exactly what it's called, but it's a peaches and iced tea and summery. So you'll receive a mixture of those. And then we've got a couple of flowers here, and I left the little green stem on it because I've kind of gotten in the mood where I like to twirl the stem, and I might even just cut it off and twirl it. It just adds a little extra, you know, to your project. And then we've got some Say-It-In crystals. I found some more of the, I think it was from Nature's, I don't know, it's some Prima Nature's something, Nature's Beauty or something, a collection they came out with, I think it was last year or the year before. So I was able to find some more of these, and so we're including them in this month's kit. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started on our project. So the first thing I'm going to do is take the wrapping off of the frame. I just love this cute little frame. Just when I saw these, I knew exactly what I wanted to do. So the first thing I'm going to do, I want to really bring out that texture. And I'm just going to apply the paint right over it, and I'm going to just go all the way around. And I might add a couple of layers, it depends. With it being the Opal Magic paint, sometimes the color is really light because it's a two-tone based on whether you're painting on a lighter background or a darker background. And so I never know, you know, how the color is going to be, if it's going to show more of the teal or if it's going to show more of the pink. And I like how it's getting in the cracks. So you're picking up both colors. You're getting that teal in the crack, you know, in the crevices of the design. And then as it's kind of going out, it has that pink, really like an iridescent look. So really cool. So I'm going to just go around and add a couple layers of that. So for the chipboard word, I want to leave it brown, but I don't want to leave it just bare like it is, which it would still look good. But I thought if I added the sepia, it just gives it a darker brown color, which I like. So I'm just going to go over the whole word with that sepia wax paste. So I'm going to try out the Sepia wax paste on the frame, see if I like it. You know, and I like to just kind of do a little test area which will be covered up. That way if I don't like it, it's going to be covered up with embellishments. And I don't like it. I really like the teal and the iridescent look. And I just didn't want to add the Sepia wax paste on the frame. So I'm going to go ahead and just start gluing all of my embellishments down. And with the Inspire chipboard word, you know, that's really going to pop with it being that darker brown. So there's some nice contrast there. And I'm just going to start gluing everything down. The ribbon, there's different ways, or with the lace, there's different ways you can do it. I had made a little knot in the middle of it, so it's going to be kind of hard to stay down. So I'm just going to keep putting the pair of scissors over it, you know, to try to keep it down because it wants to push up. And then when I'm done with the project, I'll just put something heavy over it, whether it's a book, you know, or something like that. And it'll, you know, just kind of mash it down while the glue is setting. That's what I did on the mixed media project this month. When I got done, I just sat a heavy book on it. Not like too heavy, not no 20-pound book, but, you know, even just, probably even just a pound or 2 pounds would probably be good enough. Or if you just have light books, you know, just kind of stack a bunch on top and I think you'll be good. So I'm just finishing up with, I'm going to go ahead and glue on this chipboard word, and then I'm going to glue down the Say It in Crystals, and that will complete this project. And I haven't decided what picture I'm going to put in the frame, but the good thing about this is anytime I can just change out the photo. So I hope that you've enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know. Thank you so much for watching.